You might have tried different ways to move the picture you have in your Word document to different positions, but you're not getting it. Let's take a walk so that I'll show you how you can do that in easy steps. Let me quickly open my Microsoft Word so that we start. I'll select Word. Then let's start with blank documents. So let me give this a title. Okay, the next step is to insert your image. So click on the spot where you want the picture to be inserted. Then click the Insert tab. Select Pictures. Then select a source where you want to get your picture from. Probably you have already saved the picture in your computer. So let's go with the option, this device. This opens the file explorer of your PC automatically. So navigate to where you saved the picture you want to move around. So let me work with this. I'll click on it and click on Insert. Now that the picture has been inserted, let me just reduce the size so that it can make us to understand how to move it around. Okay, good. All right. Okay, so at this point, if I take my cursor here and then try moving this picture, it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, it's either I click on it and then get to home and align differently, maybe center or by the right or justify, all right, or by this way. So but here we want to be able to move this picture freely. So the next step you need to take is click on this picture. As you have clicked on it, you will see this icon here. Okay, that is the layout options. Then click on it. This by default places this picture in inline with text. Okay, that's why this one is selected. But you're going to go with any of these options here with text wrapping. Okay, so you can choose the tight or the true or the square. Anyone you want to choose, just choose any option and you will be able to move the picture. So let's go with this square option. Now that it has been selected, we can then click out. Then and we can move this image to anywhere you want to have it in your Word document. Okay. Alternatively, let me return it back to how it was before. Alternatively, you can still move it a different way. As you click on the picture, click on this picture format. All right, this gives you some options. Come to this wrap text option and click the command, then select how you want the text arrow to be wrapped around the particular picture that is being selected, okay? The particular image. So maybe let's go with true here, or we can go with top and bottom. Okay, let's go with top and bottom. All right, then take your cursor to the picture itself, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse. All right, then you can move to anywhere you want to have it. So that's simple step on how you can move pictures and images you have in your Microsoft Word document. Thank you. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology, okay, which cuts across how to use different software, how to use iPhone, Android devices, and as well as how to use computers. So you learn one or two things if you subscribe to this channel, okay? And then increase productivity. Hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If we don't do that, there is no how they will know that it is helpful. So please do that, okay? Have you hit it? All right, thank you. Also leave a comment if this video does not solve what you want specifically. Drop a comment. I'll answer you in a few minutes, okay? And guide you on what to do. All right? And if it still helps, still drop comment to say thanks or maybe something nice. Watch this video here to learn everything you need to know on how to use Microsoft Word application. Thank you and see you some other time.